Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I thought I would demonstrate a really quick and easy night out hairdo, I suppose. And I saw this on the Bumble and Bumble UK Instagram page. And it was of a British presenter that had a really pretty, she's got lovely blonde hair, and it's like a longish bob. And she's got it in like a side part, and I'll put the picture on here, I'm not explaining it very well, but she's got it in a nice side part, and she's got it tucked behind the ear, and she's got some really like kind of gorgeous kind of movement and texture in the hair. And I kind of thought to myself, since I've grown my hair, I've not really done much with it, and I thought, yes, that's one thing I could just maybe do something a little bit different. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Now it's really simple and easy process. Actually, I'm going to take my glasses off. Now I've just been out in Storm Katrina.
Nope.
And oh my goodness, my hair is just, I just washed it this morning and I blow dried it, and it was all like really super straight, and now it's just gone a little bit frizzy, but for this it doesn't matter. Now you're going to need a pair of straighteners. You're going to need 3 products really. Now I'm going to show you if your hair is, say, a couple of days old and you're going on your night out, you'll want to put a little bit of something like you want to stick that at the roots, kind of just to give yourself a little bit of texture. Another one is dry spun. I don't particularly use dry spun because my hair is so thick and I just got constant volume anyway, so I won't put that on. But if your hair type's like mine, it's thick and it's coarse, and it's got a lot of bounce in it already, you could just put a little bit of dry shampoo in, just to give the roots a bit of lift. And then I'm going to be using this fantastic product. This is the Glow, Bumble and Bumble Glow Thermal Protection Mist. Now this will protect up to 230 degrees, 450 Fahrenheit. I think that's right. And I'm going to just work this through the hair because I want to protect it, because I'm about to put 230 degrees on my hair. People seem to forget this and think that just putting straighteners to the hair, it's just not good. It's not good at all. Oh, I've got to get, it's just not good. Putting 230 degrees straight. So let's not do it on our hair, shall we? Let's protect it. So the thermal mist is a brilliant product to do that. Now, oh, I didn't shake it. Oh, you must remember to shake it. Gotta shake it. You must shake it. Right, and then to pretend I've reapplied it all again. Okay, so now I'm going to take my straighteners. Now, she has it tucked behind her ear. Let me just get the picture for myself. Let me just have a look. So I'm going to, first of all, I've noticed it's really, really smooth on the root. So I'm just going to take, this is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Softer Texture Finishing Spray. Now this particular finishing spray is brilliant if you have dry to absolutely parched hair. So if your hair is coloured, or it's just naturally on the dry side because it's thick and coarse, or like mine's naturally grey, and so my hair is very parched as well, it's dry. This is a brilliant kind of, gives you that lovely texture. And also when you've got grey hair, you're really lacking in oil. You lack very much in the shine department. This is going to put that back in and give you that texture. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this on my root, and then I'm going to use the other side of it, and I'm just going to use this just to smoothen it. Like so. And can you see how that just smoothens the roots down to give you that glossy look? I'm just taking it, and I want to really kind of flatten it a bit. you can see now I've got like this kind of smooth look first, and then I'm going to go back in with the straighteners so we can get this nicely tucked behind the ear with a little bit of, just a little bend. So I'm just taking the odd strand, really like smooshing it together and kind of just giving it that bend, like that's what I want. But it's a lot more, just give a bit of bend to it. That's it, that's kind of, she's got it in this kind of straightening, I think. That. Right, now let's take the other side. Now, let me just look at the picture again. Ugh, I hate this fingerprint recognition. So she has it, actually, her parting is more here. But I'm going to, because I've just smoothed this, I'm going to keep my parting where it is. And she's got that front section just at the end here. Now her hair is slightly longer than mine, so it's going to, she would have started lower down, but I'm going to have to start a little bit more kind of mid eye section to get the same kind of textured look. So I'm just going to go midway and I'm just going to bend it and pull it. So can you see that you're just going to, I'm going to take that a bit thinner actually. So I'm just going to take more sections and just kind of twisting them around like that. Alright, so we've got the kind of how she's got it wavy. Let's just give that a bit more of a, I want that a bit more kind of straighter. And then just work around the rest of your hair, just at the top. Okay, so once you've gone through and done the kind of curls that you want, can you see how mine's now sitting quite flat? And so what I'm going to use now is the HIO just to give it a bit more separation, and then we're going to build a little bit. So I'm going to take product, spray it, and that gives, I mean, look at the shine that it gives to the hair when you apply, which having grey hair naturally, I need the shine, and I'm just going through and just separating it a little bit more over my eye. But I find when I use my hand, it tends to fluff off your cuticle, but when you use your bottle doing this, it just keeps it that bit more smoother. I'm doing it again. Keep putting my hand in. Stop putting your hand in, woman. It's really hard, isn't it, not to get your hands in there. Right, I'm really happy with how smooth that is. But this is looking a little bit kind of Kevin and Perry.
Kevin? What?
So we're just gonna, so as you can see, if you just start getting movement. Now, my hair will naturally do this because it's already buoyant. But if you struggle in that kind of department, just get yourself a bit of Bumble and Bumble thickening, dry spun, lift up the section of your hair like this and get it right into the root, and you'll find your hair will like sit like woof, it'll go straight up. Here I'm just showcasing the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Soft Texture Finishing Spray, and I really like this spray. This is now something I've started to use every day. Now it's available in salon in the next couple of weeks. It's available on Bumble and Bumble UK right now, but it's a new product that they brought out, and it kind of, for me, it's that bridging that gap of getting something that gives you a little bit of texture and really nourishes your hair at the same time, while giving you that kind of shine and glossiness that you want to your locks. So don't forget to subscribe. It'd be really nice if you could subscribe and come back again. And also, could you give us a little thumbs up if you like the video? It really helps to kind of the algorithms of YouTube like read it, and they then push the video in front of more people, and that's always really good. So I really appreciate your time for watching this video, and I hope that you've enjoyed it and that you can maybe give this a whirl and see what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.